This is extended fives, the hard version. So the hard version has lots of little fingers in it. So we're on high C. This is middle C here. So you're doing 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1. Then the thumb continues down. Back up. Once you get to F, you then use a 2 on the G. Then the left hand. So you're on low C here. 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1, and up, and up, and up. Then back to 2 on F. Okay, so this one, hands together. You can crash in the middle, which is fine, or you can take the left hand lower. So I'll just show you how I did in the demonstration first. So. If you don't like that crashing of the thumbs, then take the left hand an octave lower.